let's face it, we've all been there. You're on Zoom, you're doing a session with your participants, you ask a question, and nobody wants to unmute. Nobody's sharing the chat. Nobody's making eye contact. They're basically avoiding answering the question. And it just becomes really awkward. What are we going to do? How are we going to get out of this? Well, I have the solution for you today. I am often just simply playing this. I'm playing this little animation of this cricket and tumbleweed going across my screen just to get rid of that awkward moment of that tension. And I'm now making that available for you to use in your sessions. You can easily add that if you're using OBS or Ecamm Live to your video stream. But if you are sharing slides and you don't have that, you can also simply add the effect to your slides as an animated video. So just add that to your question slides, and if they answer it really quickly right away, then just skip the animation, and if nobody's answering, then unleash the cricket. The other thing that you're going to get with this is you're going to get a few different file types. So you get a MOV file and a WebM file, which is great for in Ecamm Live because it plays with sound. The MOV file is better for if you're planning to add that to your slides or any other video projects. And the last thing you're also getting is you're getting the cricket with the tumbleweed, but sometimes you might want to just have the cricket. So you're also getting this one, which just includes this little animated jumping cricket, and you can check that out in my store right now.